DGPS Surveyors Noida Sector 62 is a leading provider of accurate and reliable surveying services in the Noida region. With their expertise in using Differential Global Positioning System (DGPS) technology, they are able to accurately measure and map various types of land and infrastructure projects. Whether it is for construction, urban planning, or infrastructure development, DGPS Surveyors Noida Sector 62 has the necessary tools and knowledge to deliver precise surveying results. One of the key services offered by DGPS Surveyors Noida Sector 62 is Scon design. Scon design refers to the creation of detailed plans and layouts for the placement of scons, which are small structures that are typically used for lighting or signage purposes. Scon design requires a thorough understanding of the site conditions, as well as the specific requirements of the client. DGPS Surveyors Noida Sector 62 excels in this area by combining their expertise in DGPS technology with their knowledge of Scon design principles. When it comes to Scon design, DGPS Surveyors Noida Sector 62 follows a meticulous process to ensure accurate and efficient results. They begin by conducting a comprehensive survey of the site using DGPS technology. This allows them to gather precise data on the existing conditions of the site, including topography, existing structures, and utilities. This data is then analyzed and used to create detailed plans for the placement of scons. DGPS Surveyors Noida Sector 62 takes into consideration factors such as visibility, aesthetics, and safety regulations to create designs that are not only functional but also visually appealing. What sets DGPS Surveyors Noida Sector 62 apart from other surveying companies is their commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. They understand that every project is unique and requires personalized attention. If you are in need of reliable surveying services in Noida Sector 62, look no further than DGPS Surveyors. Leading provider of precise and trustworthy surveying services in the Noida area is DGPS Surveyors Noida Sector 62. They have specialized knowledge of Differential Global Positioning System (DGPS) technology and can measure and map various land and infrastructure projects with accuracy. The team at DGPS Surveyors Noida Sector 62 has the skills and resources needed to produce accurate surveying reports, whether they are used for infrastructure development, urban planning, or building. Scon design is one of the main services provided by DGPS Surveyors Noida Sector 62. Scons are small structures that are frequently used for lighting or signage. Scon design is the process of creating precise blueprints and layouts for their location. Scon design necessitates a deep comprehension of the site circumstances and the client's particular needs. By fusing their understanding of Scon design principles with their skills in DGPS technology, DGPS Surveyors Noida Sector 62 excels in this field. DGPS Surveyors